A local company is working on an invention that could help ease the shortage of ventilators all across the country. Atmos Home is a startup that makes smart home control equipment. But as Eric Glasser shows you, the company's newest product could be a game changer for people who are fighting coronavirus.
And we can do something like this that could truly help.
Mark Lyle is the CEO at Atmos Home in Brooksville. His smart home controlled equipment business has been sidelined by COVID-19. So he and a colleague, literally a pair of rocket scientists who once built guidance systems for NASA, are shifting gears, retooling to build this, an automated version of what's commonly called an ambubag.
We pulled upon our experience and we thought, all right, we can do something like this that could truly help.
The idea is that instead of manually squeezing a bag to push air into a person's lungs, a machine would do it. A key component they're working on right now is adding a pressure sensor to deliver just the right amount of air without causing complications like overinflating a patient's lungs.
The pressures and so forth that some of the other projects might not be addressing.
Lyle and his co-workers are collaborating with scientists at Rice University and MIT. Their ideas are being open sourced, freely sharing the information and software. The idea, they say, is that a patient who only needs a minimal amount of help breathing could have access to this machine, allowing somebody who needs a more sophisticated ventilator to have access to it.
Now you freed up a nurse or an EMT, and potentially you freed up a ventilation machine. So absolutely, the goal is, to avoid the situation that we're in today.
Lyle says he should have a working prototype ready to go this week that would cost less than a tenth of what a full-blown ventilator would cost and made from readily available parts. Their plan is to get in front of the FDA shortly after that, hopeful that their ingenuity and ability to quickly produce the devices right here in Tampa Bay could save lives around the world.
That's the ultimate goal.
Lyle says they know they're working against the clock, so they've then been working around the clock. He says they were able to come up with plans for their prototype in 3 days.